Welcome to our weekly roundup of the latest technology news. This week, we have a mix of intriguing stories that range from the challenges faced by India's prestigious IITs to the impact of AI on Las Vegas workers. Let's dive in and explore the world of technology. First up, we have a thought-provoking article from Wired that sheds light on the dark side of India's renowned Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs. These prestigious institutions have a reputation for producing successful tech professionals and CEOs. However, the intense competition to secure a place at an IIT has historically favored privileged groups, limiting diversity in the student body. Female students also face harassment and abuse on IIT campuses, contributing to a hypermasculine environment. Despite attempts to implement affirmative action programs, discrimination and caste-based harassment persist. This lack of diversity in the tech sector, starting at the education level, can impact business models, technologies, and decision-making, disadvantaging millions of people in poor and rural communities. Next, ReadWrite explores how technology can improve workplace safety, with wearable gadgets that monitor vital signs and environmental conditions, 3D visualization to identify potential risks, and sensors to monitor equipment conditions. Technology plays a significant role in preventing accidents and addressing health issues in the workplace. Proper training is crucial to ensure employees know how to use equipment correctly, and advancements such as virtual reality simulations make initial safety training more accessible. Investing in workplace safety technology can save companies money in the long run and prevent negative consequences from accidents. In exciting news, Grubhub is teaming up with Amazon to bring cashierless technology to college campuses, starting with Loyola University, Maryland. This partnership aims to provide a frictionless shopping experience for students, faculty, and staff. By scanning a QR code in the Grubhub app, users can purchase items without waiting in line, and their meal plans or stored payment methods will be automatically charged. Grubhub has been embracing various technologies, including robot delivery, to enhance the food ordering and delivery process for college students. Heading to Las Vegas now, where NPR reports on how the city's workers are bracing for the rise of automation and AI. Studies suggest that a significant number of jobs in Las Vegas could be automated by 2035. While AI is being used to reduce labor costs in the tourism and hospitality industry, without affecting productivity or the customer experience, there is concern about the impact on jobs. The Culinary Union, representing service and hospitality workers, is negotiating a new contract with protections against AI replacing jobs. The impact of AI goes beyond lower-wage jobs and also affects white-collar roles in fields like accounting and data entry. Las Vegas officials are beginning to prepare workers for this shift by hosting panels and events on the use of AI across various industries. Now, let's delve into generative AI, a type of AI discussed in a Business Insider article. Generative AI produces new content from datasets and has various applications across industries. Intel is working on optimizing generative AI models to make AI more accessible. By developing tools such as SetFit, which enables smaller models to run accurately on smaller datasets, Intel is making it easier for enterprises to implement AI without needing new infrastructure. Optimized and cost-effective AI implementation has the potential to save significant time in industries like law and medicine. In a surprising development, Gizmodo reports that the New York Police Department, NYPD, deployed drones to spy on Labor Day barbecues and parties. The drones were used to surveil potential disturbances and determine if it was necessary to send police or crisis management teams. The use of drones by the NYPD has raised concerns about privacy and potential violations of surveillance laws. While privacy and civil liberty experts argue against the use of drones, the mayor defended their use, stating they are essential for public safety. Whether this practice will continue beyond Labor Day weekend remains to be seen. Shifting gears to remote work, a Business Insider article dives into how bosses are using employee tracking software to ensure productivity. The article shares examples of employees being fired due to low keystroke activity, and others using mouse-moving technology to mimic work. Employee tracking software provides real-time dashboards, progress reports, and screen tracking tools. A survey found that 96% of U.S. business leaders with remote or hybrid workforces use some form of employee monitoring software. While transparency with employees is encouraged, not all businesses disclose the use of tracking software. It's important for workers to be aware of their rights and understand the potential consequences of resistance. Up next, we have news from Instagram. The platform may be expanding the length of Instagram Reels, allowing users to record up to 10 minutes of videos. While Meta and Instagram have not confirmed this yet, leaked screenshots suggest the possibility. Expanding Reels would bring it closer to the length of YouTube videos. However, still shorter than TikTok's limit. Instagram has been making updates to Reels features to boost engagement by incorporating new editing methods and templates to recreate viral content. In smartphone news, TCL is introducing NXT paper displays to its smartphones to reduce eye strain. The NXT paper display is an IPS display that offers a toggle between color and monochrome modes. It has been certified for its low harmful blue light emissions and aims to enhance user experience. TCL is launching 2 smartphones with NXT paper displays, the TCL 40 NXT Paper and 40 NXT Paper 5G. These smartphones boast impressive specifications and will be available in Europe at affordable prices. Lastly, the BBC highlights Wageningen University's Farm of the Future, where the Netherlands is experimenting with sustainable farming methods. By incorporating crop diversity, cover crops, precision farming techniques such as GPS technology, and clever drainage systems, the aim is to improve soil quality, increase biodiversity, and achieve higher yields. The Netherlands, being a significant exporter of agricultural goods, faces pressure to produce for the export market, which has environmental consequences. The Dutch government is taking action to tackle the environmental damage caused by agriculture, including reducing nitrogen emissions and livestock numbers. That wraps up our summary of the latest technology news. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the tech world.